Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their MacBook Air M2 tempered glass screen protector. So you can see the coating, delicate touch, light transmission rate up to 99%, tempered glass, 9H plus hard surface hardness, prevent the screen bursting effectively. A little bit of the instructions: clean with the microfiber cloth, fill off the first layer, and basically attach it to your screen. So let's cut these little seals and open this on up. Put it like a book. Look at this. Gotta love it. So they include the screen protector, of course, and as you can see, it has a little spot for the notch up here, and then guide stickers, dust absorber, wipes to remove any dirt. There's the included microfiber cloth to clean the screen, and then just in case, a second set of stickers and wipes. Just to show you, this is an M2 MacBook Air, and I will just peel off this back sticker here and then line it up and place it right over my screen, like so. And so that'll do it for this M2 MacBook Air screen protector. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.